Hey there, welcome back to another calendar at a glance. Yeah, this time we're doing December at a glance. So, this is what it is, okay? It is a 2024, sorry about the sun rays, 2024 calendar that I got at the Dollar Tree. And this is my way, let me just get y'all centered. This is my way of documenting my year in the year 2024. A lot was going on in 2024, so I did not have, I couldn't do a creative daily journal. And I wanted still to, though, to document what was going on in our lives. So this is how I chose to do it. And I really enjoy the way it came out. I use a variety of things from stickers to washi tape, um, to brochures, to little Monopoly money, to food packaging, to, oh, I need to outline that, to my own hand lettering, lots and lots of stickers. So it's so much fun. And seriously, if you haven't thought about doing it, I would ask you to consider to, especially if if you have a time crunch. Yeah, it was I've really enjoyed it, and this is what a few the past months look like. I really enjoy it, and I can't wait to have one for January. So let's get started on this, okay? December started on a Sunday, and every Sunday I film. I film every single Sunday for my Monday ramble sessions. So I spoke to my aunt. I speak to her every single Sunday at 9:30. My alarm on my phone goes off. I go into my craft room, close the door, and call my aunt without fail every single Sunday. I love our chats. Here's little Remington, and I drew a sweater on him. So yeah, it was sweater weather out. It was pretty chilly this whole week, chilly temps. Um, I had my PCP doctor appointment this day to follow up with my labs and to decide what we were going to do moving forward. I had a CAT scan, and oh man, when they put the oh, I remember this one because I go to a different hospital than I do for my brain MRI. But anyway, when he puts it, he ended up sticking me twice, right? And the first time he stuck me, he couldn't get it. After he bragged about how good he was at it, I should have known right then. I should have known right then. Switch people, Elizabeth. But yeah, I oh my gosh, it was not good. Okay, it was not good. I won't dwell on it though. Then on this day here, I filmed a glue book video. Oh, I forgot to do it in the last video, I think. No, I didn't do it. Oh, yeah, I guess I did. I did most of it. Okay. These little things here, I think I started it the month before. Yeah. Like, see these blue dots right here? That means that those are the days that I was walking. Okay. So I did pretty well that month. This month, they were the green dots, right? So I did so. Okay, I did so, but I did have a couple, rough weeks and everything. So this time on December it was red, and I've been doing really sucky this in December. Yeah. I got a week and a half. I don't walk on the weekends, but I got what 8 days done, and then I didn't walk the rest of the month. So yeah, there's that. So anyway, back to this. I just wanted you to know what those little red dots were. So the glue book, I mean, I did a glue book video on this day. I filmed it. Um, then I had bath time. Oh yeah, it was chilly temps, and it was like in the 40s, I think. And when I get chilled, I cannot not be chilled. So I went and took a bath just so I could warm up, and it was luxurious. And then I had a film this day, a journal with me, and an October at a glance. So I filmed then. And then, oh, this was the highlight of the day. My beauty queen got an offer for a new job. So, same company, but new position. So, and new building, a different building. So, pretty darn cool. We're so, so very proud of her. And then here I had my oncology appointment. My scans were clean. I was so thrilled. Spent a lot of time on the computer this day. Uh, this day I did a little bit of sewing. I had seen something on Instagram for an easy quilt, an easy quilt square. So I had just some scraps, in my fabric drawer, and I decided to try it. I think it's going to end up probably being a, what's it called? A journal cover, because I don't have enough squares to make really anything. It was just kind of like a practice thing. I filmed a journal with me. This was my trash video that you guys really liked. This here was my birthday. Yes, I was born on Pearl Harbor Day and I turned 55. Yes, I did. And then on this day here, I called my aunt. We were watching FBI on TV. I filmed my ramble session. We had a movie night with my son and his wife. They were still living at the house. Uh, and we saw the Pirates of the Caribbean. Now, during this time, I told you last time, my son had and his wife had made an offer on a brand new house. And so they were waiting for like the closing date and to get all the stuff, And back in here, and this week, it was like they thought they weren't going to close until like after Christmas. And then he was pretty disappointed, but they ended up getting everything together and they were able to close earlier. So this was the day that I received a $25 super thanks. And I was just blown away by it. And so thank you so much for the super thanks. And what a super thanks is on my YouTube channel underneath, I guess it is. Yeah, like where the like button is and stuff like that. I think there is like a button that says thanks next to it with a heart, if I'm not mistaken. And anyway, so they're so sweet. I mean, I wasn't even aware that my channel was able to get this. So, I mean, super big surprise. Then we had family dinner, which when I have family dinner here, that means that all the kids are together. Then my son and his wife had the closing on this day. So that was super nice. And this day I filmed a magazine harvest. That's what these scissors are for because I was fussy cutting that day. We had family dinner again. We had breakfast for dinner. Um, this day, I I think was it this day? Let me think. I thought it was a different day, but oh, I think my it must have been my son and his wife went and bought the paint and stuff for their new house. So this day here, was my MRI, my brain MRI at a different hospital. So I went and had that done. It was chilly outside. I was super tired this day. I spent a lot of time on the couch, and these scissors are for fussy cutting. I did chores this day on Saturday, and we had hot dogs for dinner. And then over here, these are just stickers to take up space. Okay. So let's see. Over here, my husband made poutine. We did have the family over because I think all six of us were here. So I think, honestly, I think I ran out of family dinner. Yeah. So, and let me just tell you, we are so blessed, right? Because, I mean, the kids come over this day, they come over this day, they were here this day for poutine. It's just, I love having our kids so close to us. I can't even tell you. We are so very thankful. So I was filming the ramble session on this day, spoke to my aunt Carol. I was feeling puny. Oh no, I'm sorry. I so often feel puny that I get confused. Remy was feeling puny this day. He just was not feeling well. Yes, my husband made poutine with leftover Thanksgiving gravy and stuff, and it was really good. I worked in my room this day. Oh, here it is, paint and pizza. So I went over to help my son and his wife paint, and then we came home and we all had pizza. I think we might have watched a movie. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, so the next day I was so stinking sore. Oh my goodness. I mean, just from that little bit of work. Oh my gosh, maybe I'm allergic to work. And then daughter and her boyfriend flew out to Oklahoma, I think. Yeah, Oklahoma, for a wedding, his friend. It was rainy here, and we had another movie night. We had lots of movie nights with my son and his wife. It was nice. Um, we woke, I think a lot of them too were Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, I think we watched like Pirates of the Caribbean 2, Pirates of the Caribbean 3. So, anyway, oh my goodness, Remington woke me at 2 a.m. Yikes. And then my son and his wife were at their house painting. I was very sleepy. Then I had to go to the doctor on Thursday. This is my radiation oncologist, and I was informed that my MRI had shown that I have a new lesion, lesion number 6. So, yep, we're getting that taken care of. And who knows when this video comes up on the list of videos. I'm not sure when it's going to go out, but I probably have been through the week-long radiation that I have to go through. So, no worries, no complaints. Yeah, it is what it is. Here though, my husband and I were emotionally drained. I'm not completely devoid of emotion. Yeah. So we had our moments this day together. And then on this day, we got up all of our energy, including my husband, and we all helped my son and his wife move. So they got a truck from Home Depot. Um, they did not hire 2 men in a truck. This just was on like an advertisement from the mail, so I decided to use it. But they got a truck from Home Depot that they could have all day. It's a lot less expensive than like U-Haul or something. Anyway, they took I think 3 trips to and from the storage place, and they were able to get everything, move it all into the house. So yeah, that was really great. And then on this day here, my husband and I watched a lot of TV. We did some grocery shopping. I, of course, filmed my ramble and talked to my aunt. This day, I started wrapping presents. It was also bake day. I filmed a journal with me. I was cooking Christmas cookies and goodies. I had a headache this day. This was Christmas Eve, and I was finishing up wrapping the presents. And then we did our traditional Christmas Eve, which is we have snacky foods while we watch a movie. And then we went to something called Festival of Lights. It was like a drive-through light Christmas light thing. So we did that. That was a lot of fun. Um, a fun, beautiful family day we had this day. Yes, it says, "Oh, what fun!" This was Christmas Day. The kids were here all day, and it was super, super nice. And we are just so, again, so grateful that they're here. This day here, I went into my radiology oncologist office because I had to get my mask fitted. And then I had a really long chat with my sweet girl. No, that's my brain for my mask. This is my long chat with my girl. On this day, I got another very generous super thanks from Joy, and it was $50 this time. Oh my gosh. Know that you guys don't ever have to send me money, but also know that it is very much appreciated from the bottom of my heart. Um, then I had lunch with my son and his wife at a Mexican restaurant that they really enjoy. That's right. I went over this day to help my son and his wife clean up the house and get some stuff put away. And then love long chat. So I had a long chat with Beauty Queen here and here. And then I finished Happy Meal journals on this day, so I'm very happy about that. Filmed a ramble on this day, had my phone call with my aunt, and then rest. I need to outline that. And then I was making plans for 2025, and I made a fabric flower that was really, really cute. My husband had his long doctor's appointment down in Miami, so he was gone for about, I don't even know, 6 or 7 hours. Uh, we went grocery shopping this day and to pick up some prescriptions and stuff. And then I got Chick-fil-A on the way home. This was New Year's Eve. We don't do anything on New Year's Eve. Um, yeah, we just don't. So it was a very regular night. We cuddled up on the couch, we watched our shows, and we went to bed normal time. So, anyway, that is how December ended up. And again, I cannot express how much I really enjoy documenting this way. It's so much fun. It's quick, it's easy. It still uses creativity. You get to use up, your little stickers. You get to play with lettering. You get, just so many fun things. So many fun things. So I hope you'll consider doing it because it is super simple. Um, yeah, so I hope you enjoy and have a good rest of your day. Have a wonderful week. I will thank you again for sharing your time with me because I know time is precious. I know that. So I really do appreciate that you choose to spend your time with me. Yeah, again, have a really great day. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.